sometimes sour, sometimes sweet. An M. Night Shyamalan story called Everything's Peachy. Can we just skip straight to the plot twist, please? Life's all about balance, and real love takes practice. We know accidents happen, but my love's on purpose. Reciprocate the feeling, find peace beneath the surface. Everything's peachy, everything's peachy. Split personality, sometimes sour, sometimes sweet. An M. Night Shyamalan story called Everything's Peachy. Can we just skip straight to the plot twist, please? Sometimes sour, sometimes sweet. Split personality, sometimes sour, sometimes sweet. just wanna be found. Ooh, I've been lost. I just wanna be found. Give me a sense of direction. Give me some time for introspection. Give me a sense of direction. Give me a sense of direction. Give me a sense, give me a sense, give me a sense of forward motion. We need to keep on going. We need to keep on going. We need to be forward thinkers. Silence in the background, violence in your eyes now.
Remember that time you gave your heart to me. Remember that time when life was like a dream.
You know what I know. You know what I know. I need to hold you close to me, to me, to me, to me, yeah. Head over heels for that someone. Head for the hills for nothing, nothing. Running, scared, screaming at the top of my lungs. In my many minds, in my many minds. My heart doesn't always agree. What I'm thinking inside. Think about it, your gut can lie. Like when you're hungry but it hurts to eat. Do you actually wanna die? No matter how bad it tastes, I want it. Here's a metaphor for my life. I'm eating McDonald's to get healthy. Tell me how that makes sense. And I think I heard Bigfoot. Did he run away? I don't know. I would have invited him in my tent so we can drink some miso soup. It's dangerous. In peace. No. And talk. Don't do that. About conspiracy theories. Maybe all night. I wonder if he believes in alien. We could look at the stars together. What if he is an alien? What if we actually become the best of friends and we wear shirts with pictures of each other on them? intervention, divine intervention will know. Only in my crucial moments do they pay attention carefully.